What's going on, guys? Welcome to the part 2. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where were you?
I was at the TNT.
The TNT explosions?
Yeah.
I'm coming. For victory! Where is he? Oh, I see your stuff. Oh, yeah, okay. He just left.
Dude, I had this card.
Oh, DJ Animal left the game, so he's out. Oh, I see something orange.
Wait a minute. You're not waiting for us, right?
Okay, there's this. Yeah, he has good. I just saw somebody. He has really good stuff, and I poisoned him. And I threw. Oh, creeper explode! Creeper explode! Oh man, so close. I found your stuff. I'm trying to get this guy. He has like iron armor, and I splashed him with harmony and poison. He's like running away. Oh, I got him! Yeah! Oh no! Poison! Okay, stay away from me. Okay, I think that was who? That was a yellow gamer. Oh, that was the oh crap! There's like a lot of people left. Okay. There's 3 people left. It's Worth Gamer, me, and Awesome Under, and that was the Awesome Under, I believe. And he threw me with slowness because I think he was trying to get away. So, oh crap, that's a lot.
If only you had some milk.
Yeah, if I had milk. Yeah, I don't have milk. I hope you guys we could win. You know, this is my teammate's gone, so I'm a little bit bummed out about that.
Yeah. What you just got me? I got so mad.
Okay, let's just let's kind of hide from people because we have health regenerating. It's pretty much full regen. It's just we need to get our stuff ready for the fight with the host. Okay, is there any stuff that we had? I don't see anything. Okay, I'm just gonna wait until like.
Yeah, you know what Nitro? Yeah.
I'm just.
Did you know Nitro lose?
Yeah. What?
He's not just fancy.
Yeah, I know. All right. Okay. Whew. Okay, I think. Come on, slowness. This is 35 more seconds. Where's the other people? Do you reckon he's on that rocket thing? I doubt it. Okay, you know. Oh my God! So just where did the I know I saw the. Yep, I think he's up there. That's what I thought. So. Yay, my slowness is gone. I know, I bet somebody's up there. You know, I just bet, because the Awesome Honor probably got there up there. So it's just Worth Gamer the Awesome Honor. Do you reckon? I reckon that could. Do you think that the parkour is worth it? I doubt it, but. Oh crap! Oh, another poison potion. That's good. That's good. That's good.
I sadly had.
Oh, this is actually it's looking third
I
person.
don't know why this charge didn't work for some reason, and I only had half health.
Wait, is that somebody down there?
Oh, dumb.
Or just. Is that somebody down there, or is there? I'm just seeing things.
I'm gonna put Cookie versus
was a creeper. Oh. Anybody up here? I'm really good at parkour. I just see a chest right here. More carrots and a stick. Okay, nobody's behind me. I'm just so afraid, like. Oh, golden apples. That's actually really good. Oh, an iron ingot, another iron ingot, and more balls of machines. Yeah? Yeah, I'm still recording. My teammates are just constantly talking to me. Where's everybody else? Like, okay, you know, I'm just looking. Oh, I forgot to look at my map. Wow. Oh, wow, I just forgot to look at my map. Yeah. I know where they are now, so eat the delicious carrots. Oh, I see him, I see somebody. Okay, now show me. Yeah, I got pretty much hurt here. I think that was the guy who almost killed me. But now it's the Smite's going to strike back. Oh, I see his gamer tag! Alright, let's do this, Does he actually? Oh, he has good stuff. Look at this guy. Okay, let's poison him. Yeah, it's just me and Austin. Come on, quick, take him out. Yes! Yes. How did I take it? Let's crouch. Iron sword is better. Oof, I had 1 heart left. I thought I was gonna die. Dang, he had really good stuff. GG, the awesome hunter. GG. So, I think, do we win? Do we actually win or something? GG. Okay, who's left in the room? Do we win? I think we won. We won, guys! Yeah! Woo!
Yeah, we win!
Woo! Yeah!
You win?
Yeah, I won. I think I did. I can't find Worth Gamer. I don't know because Worth Gamer is like not in my map. I think I won. Yeah, I think I probably won. Wait, Worth Gamer, is he in the party?
Yeah, he's still in the party.
Worth Gamer.
He's not talking.
Well, I think I won, I guess. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Subscribe for more delicious cake. So, hope you enjoyed this, guys, and I'll see you later, guys. Peace out.